Yes, children. I'm going to start the class with dictation, and today's dictation we are going to take in digital whiteboard. You are going to give your dictation in digital whiteboard. How can we use digital whiteboard? I'm going to tell you. So it is very simple tool that can be used instantly. You all will get an individual digital board where you can draw and type the text. Whatever the words I will given to you, you can easily write down. You can write down through the finger on your mobile, or you can type the text also. Fine, on the digital whiteboard. Similarly, and I am able to see your whiteboard, whatever you are writing on it, I am able to see your whiteboard. I'm able to access your digital whiteboard. So what you have to do, I'm just sending you a URL in the chat box. What you have to do in the first step, you have to click on it, on the URL which I'm sending to you. And then after that, as you click on the chat, on that URL, a screen visible in front of you. In that, you have to write down your name and then click on join whiteboard class. And then you are able to participate in digital whiteboard. Okay, so I'm going to send you the URL in the chat box. I've sent the URL link. You people please click on this URL and then write your name and join the class. Who's in, those who are interested to keep yourself unmute, kindly raise your hand. Yes, Divyam, you can unmute yourself. Meenal, you also kindly keep yourself unmute. Just go in a chat box and click on the URL link. Have you got the link? Children, you got the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
on the URL link. A screen is visible.
I am in the waiting lobby.
Yes, yes, I'm taking in. Just wait a minute. And you people also able to see my screen in which
Yes, ma'am.
whiteboard, whiteboard.fi. This is a new teaching tool. Wait for a minute. 19 students are in waiting room. Agam, Bhuvanya, Chavi. I hope you are able to get your digital whiteboard. All of you, please quickly join the digital whiteboard. Just click on the URL which I've sent you. I'm sending you again the URL link. Please join quickly, all of you. All you have joined. Shreyan, don't do other things. Please stop doing other things. Please stop doing it. Vansh, I'm able to see your whiteboard, so please don't do the practice. Now Shama ma'am is going to take your dictation and you have to write all these dictation words on your digital whiteboard. Okay, so are you all ready? Just show the thumb if you all ready.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Agam and Neenal.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm able to see your screen. So Daksh, please don't scroll on the screen. Yes, Shama ma'am, you can unmute yourself, Shama ma'am. Kindly unmute yourself, Shama ma'am.
Yes, good morning to all. Students, be ready for prayer. Oh, sorry, be ready for dictation. Jyoti, start करें.
And definitely, you can start.
Yes, students, start writing. Number 1, proportion. Number 1, proportion. Number 2, extreme terms. Number 2, extreme terms. Number 3, middle terms. Number 3, middle terms.
Just wait a minute, Shama ma'am. Just wait a minute. Children, if you are not able to write down on the board through finger by touch screen, so you can type also. You can use the text box. There is an option on your digital board with the symbol capital A. You can click on it and you can use the text option. So it will be more easy. Now, you carry on,
Yes.
ma'am.
Number 1, proportion. Number 2, extreme terms. Number 3, middle terms. Number 3, middle terms. Number 4, quantities. Quantities. Number 5, continued. Number 5, continued. I repeat, proportion, extreme terms, middle terms, quantities and continued. Thanks, Jyoti. अब आप check कर लीजिए इधर.
Thank you so much, Shama ma'am. Those who have not written these words, so please note it down. I repeat once again these words, those who have not written. Chavi, you have not done the dictation. Please write down all these words, Chavi. Daksh, you also not done the dictation. Please write down these words. Karan, Navatya, Shaurya Shukla, Rohan. I can see your digital whiteboard. You people have not done the dictation, so please do it. Shubhoji Sinha and Vansh Motwani, you left 2 words. So please write down the last 2 words. I repeat once again, the first word is proportion. Second word is extreme terms. Second word is extreme terms. Write down Daksh. Please quickly write down Chavi, Daksh, Rishi, Rohan, Shaurya, Shubhojit. Quickly write down. Then third word is middle terms. Middle term. Daksh, don't stop, start writing. Third word is middle term. Fourth word is quantities. Fourth word is quantities. And last word is continual. Continual. Shaurya, why you have not done the dictation? Why you are not writing down the words? Rishi, don't play with the digital whiteboard. Please don't play with it. Vansh, why you have not writing down the last 2 words? Okay, now I can check the spelling of you all. Are there? Your spellings are correct. All spellings are correct, Adya. Agam, It's all correct, Agam. Adyansh, your all spellings are correct. You got 5 out of 5. Bhuvanya got 5 out of 5. Chavi also got 5 out of 5. Chirag also. Daksh, you are not writing down the word. You just only playing with the whiteboard. I will put you in the waiting room, Daksh. If you do the misbehave in the class, so I will put you in the waiting room. Okay, Divyam got 5 out of 5. Ekansh also. Karan, very nice. Meenal also got 5 out of 5. Very nice. So people are doing very nicely. Now next one is Pranav and Priyansh. Both have done the correct, written the correct words. Rishi, Rohan. Rohan, you left one word bigger, and the spelling of extreme terms is E-X-T-R-E-M-E. In last, you have to put E letter also. Okay, extreme terms. Quantity spelling is also wrong. I will share the correct spelling of these words. Shauri Shukla, you have not written a single word, and Shubhojit, you also not written a single word. Now I'm going to write down the correct spelling of these words. Dictation, words. Are you people are able to see my screen, children? Now, with the as you can see, if you don't want to write, you can type the text also. Just go on the this symbol, capital A symbol. This it will provide you the keypad, and now you can write down the words. The first word is proportion. P-R-O-P-O-R-T-I-O-N. This is the first word. Let's come to the next one. Next word is extreme terms. E-X-T-R-E-M-E. Sorry. M-E. Extreme terms. T-E-R-M-S. Third word is middle term. M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle. T-E-R-M-S. Middle terms. Third word is quantities. Correct spelling is Q-U-A-N-T-I-T-I-E-S, quantities. And the last word is continued. C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E-D. So just check the spellings. Those who have done wrong, learn it by heart and do better next time. So are you people able to see my screen properly or not? Just raise your hand. Neenal, you are unmuted. Please speak something.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it interesting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Find interesting this digital whiteboard. So you people, if I'm giving you any question, you can do it in your digital whiteboard, and I can check if those who are doing or not. You people are doing the questions or not. Fine.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Today it's a small practice with you all. Next time I will give you a question and you have to all solve on your digital whiteboard. It is very interesting, very helpful. I can assess your work, whatever you are doing. Fine. Now let's come back to the topic. So you all can leave it. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Or I can teach through this whiteboard. Don't leave, I am teaching through this whiteboard, children. Okay?
I left by mistake then.
I'm teaching on this board so you people can.
We cannot see your whiteboard.
You're not able to see my whiteboard. How many of you not able to see my
we
whiteboard?
Can see. We can see.
Acha, put your hand down, everybody. Please put your hand down, everybody. And now
Yes,
raise your hand, those who are not able to see my whiteboard. this who are not able to see this digital whiteboard? Bhavesh, Goti, are you not able to see? Please write down in the chat box.
It's visible now. It is
Maybe
visible.
there is an internet issue from your side, beta. When the internet is not working properly, then this problem will be raised. Otherwise, I think there is no issue with this digital whiteboard. Okay. So let's start. So in the last class, I've explained to you the fourth question of exercise 7.2.
We haven't completed question fourth first part.
So I'm going to tell you the second part also. Fine. Please,
No, the
children,
first
join the
part
class.
completed.
on time.
Completed. And first part is not completed.
Okay,
Yes,
fine. I
ma'am.
will explain you once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise 7.2. I'm going to start the question number 4, first part. Fine. Exercise 7.2. Action number 4, first part. The question is, find the fourth proportional. What do you have to do? We have to find the fourth proportion. The given question is first part. The given terms are 42, 12, and 7. There are only 3 terms given. So how can you find the fourth proportion? Let's assume the fourth proportion is
X.
fourth proportion is
Max.
X. Fine. Now, according to the formula of extreme terms and middle terms, you can write like this: 42, 12, 7, x. First and last term are called extreme terms, and second and third term are called middle terms. Fine. So you can write 42 into x equals to 12 into 7. This is the formula of product of extreme terms equals to product of middle terms. Fine. Middle terms means
Yes,
12 and 7, product of middle terms. Product of extreme terms means first and last term. Now what we have to do? We have to just simplify this equation and find the answer.
X is equal to 2.
Yes. So
X is equal to
this 42 into x equals to 12 into 7. Now everybody solve this equation and find the value of x. Now use the digital whiteboard and find out, show the solution of this equation, find the value of x. All of you please use the digital whiteboard, find this given equation and find the value of x. Please join the class. Those who left the class, please join soon. Start solving it, beta. Just erase whatever you have done. Just erase your screen. Erase the dictation words and solve this equation. Very good, Adya. Agam, please erase. Very nice. Very nice, Adyansh. Adyansh has written the extreme terms equal to 42 into x, middle terms 12 into 7, 84. The value, okay, Adyansh find out the value of x. Bhuvanya, please solve this equation and find the value of x. Very nice, Karan. Keep going. Okay, Karan has given 84 answer. Karan is saying the value of x is 84. Meenal Yadav, your answer is Rishi Sankla, please solve the equation. Pranav and Priyansh, why you are not doing better? Please use the digital board and solve the equation. Shreya, Shubhoji, Siddharth, why you people are not using digital board? Please solve the equation and find out the value of x. Okay, I'm showing the question again. The equation is 42 into x equals to 12 into 7. You have to solve this one equation. 42 into x equals to 12 into 7. Is it okay?
I have done.
Done? Adya done.
Yes,
Agam
ma'am.
also done. Adyansh, Bhuvanya, why you are not doing? Chavi, you also not
I
doing?
have done.
Daksh Nagpal, okay, I'm noting down your name and I'll talk to your parents. You people are not responding in the class. Chavi, solve this equation quickly. Very nice, Devya. Ekanshu also. Karan, complete the equation. Complete the solution. Very good, Meenal. Navadya, why you are not doing?
And we can use the match tool to insert formulas.
Yes, yes, you can use the mathematical tool. Very nice. If you try, you can access many more things. There are many facilities are given. Soumya, instead of doing the calculation, what you are doing? Don't play with the digital whiteboard. You are in the class. Please don't misbehave. Just clear your screen and show the solution of this given equation. The equation is 42 into x equals to 12 into 7. Chavi? Rishi, are you not there? Why you are not responding? Rishi and Shubhojit, never there. Okay, Vansh, your answer is correct. Okay, children, I'm going to show you the solution of this equation. To find the value of x, just keep the x on the left hand side and write the right hand side terms and transpose 42. So after transposition, 42 comes in denominator like this. Now cancel out. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 7 7 cancel out, only 2 is left. Only 2 is left. Just wait a moment. Answer is 2. So the value of x is 2. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm checking Chirag. What you people are doing on the board? I'm sharing your boards, beta. Okay? What you have done. This is the Bhuvanya board. Are you able to see the Bhuvanya board?
Yes, ma'am.
So Bhuvan has written 42 into x equals to 12 into 7. Now just now you can remove the multiple sign and you can write together 42x equals to 84. Now after transposing, 42 comes in the denominator and then when you cancel out, it gives you the value 2. Correct answer. Now I'm going to show share the screen of Agam. This is the Agam screen. As you can see, the name of the Agam is written over here. Again, your answer is also correct. 84 divided by 42. When you divide it, you will get 2. Very nice. You people are doing very nicely. You are handling the digital board very nicely. So, is it quite interesting, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now I get
Yes, ma'am.
now I've become to know those who are doing, whose are doing and not. किसको समझ में आ रहा है, किसको नहीं? Now I will observe those pupils, those who are not doing, not responding in the class, like Daksh, never there. They are not responding. Shaurya, Shubhoji, Siddharth, Soumya, they are not responding in the class. And Shreya, you also. You people are not responding. Next time, you all have to respond in the class. Now, let's come to the next question. Next part is next question of the same question is 1 upon 3. 3 terms are given, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, and 1 upon 5. Now you have to find out the fourth proportion. So again, let's assume the fourth proportion. What it is?
Ma'am, X.
Fourth proportion is X. Fine. So how can you write these 4 terms? Like 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, and X. Now, by using the formula of product of extreme terms and product of middle terms, you can write 1 upon 3 into X, because this is the first term, this is the last term. So you have to write the product of first and last term, and then write the product of middle terms, which are 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5. Fine. In the next step, when you remove this multiple sign, so it becomes like this: X upon 3 equals to 1 upon, what is the product of 4 and 5? What is the product of 4 and 5? Very nice.
20.
Now children, this is the equation. Now you people find the value of X. All of you please find the value of X. Okay, Dash. Solve this equation. I'm showing the equation. This is X upon 3 equals to 1 upon 20. Just solve it and find the value of X. Quickly erase your screen and solve this equation. Still, Naivedya and Soumya, Vedant, they are not responding. Tanishka, Shubhojit, please write down, solve this equation. Very good, Rishi. Just only solve this equation and find the value of X. Dashvardhan, if you are not able to write it down, so you can use the text also. You can type the text. Bhavish, Koti, Anushka, start doing the calculation, beta. There's an option of text which is here. Icon is A, capital A. Capital A icon is you can use for type the text. Solve it quickly. Shaurya, what happened? Only last step is left. Just complete the last step. Rishi, your answer is correct. Very good, Rishi. Bhuvane, your answer is also correct. Divyam, start doing the calculation, beta. Very good, Shaurya. Your answer is also correct. Meenal, correct answer. Karan, just, it's not a correct answer. Just check it and do it once again. Try once
I'm
again.
done.
Tena, beta, what are you writing? Write down in the board. Beta, question is there, x upon 3 equals to 1 upon 20. This is the equation which you have to solve it to find the value of x. X upon 3 equals to 1 upon 20. Yes, Siddharth, I'm checking, beta. Have patience. I know, Adyansh, you have done it. So your answer is correct. Agam, your answer is also correct. Very good. Correct, Shaurya. Vansh Motwani, what happened? Why you are not doing? Siddharth, your answer is also correct. Yeah, I've seen, Rishi, I've seen your answer. It's correct answer, beta. Navatya, Dashvardhan, Dakshnakpal, Bhavesh Gothi, they are not doing. Anushka Kanwar, Akshat. I have noted your names and I informed to your parents. You are not responding at all. It's a very easy equation. Only by transposing, you can easily find out the answer. I'm going to share the screen of Rishi Sankla. This is the screen of Rishi Sankla. 3 terms are given and we have to find out the fourth proportion. So I have taken fourth proportion as x. Now you can include this fourth proportion like this. And after that, you have to use the formula of product of extreme terms. Means you have to multiply 1 upon 3 by x. So he has written 1 upon 3 into x. And on the right hand side, product of middle terms. Middle terms are 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5. After multiplication, you get the product of these two terms as 1 upon 20. And when you transpose the value, your answer becomes 3 upon 20. This is the correct answer. Very nice. Chirag, your answer is also correct. I hope it is clear to everybody. How can we solve this question?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the next step, what you will do, just keep the x and transpose 3 to the upside, which is 3 upon 20. Okay, this is the value of x. Fine, children. Third part, do yourself. Third part, please do yourself. This is third part of question number 4. Do in a homework. Now let's come to the question number 5. Check whether these are in continuate proportion or not. You know, children, in continuate proportion, there are only 3 terms and the second term is repeated 2 times. Fine. So what is the formula of continuate proportion? The formula of continuate proportion is A into D equals to B square, B into B. This is the formula of continuate proportion. So by using this formula, we can check that the given terms are in proportion or not. Okay, so let's start doing